Hello everyone and welcome to Fun Maths, where we make maths simple and fun. Today, we're tackling a super important skill, converting improper fractions to mixed numbers and mixed numbers back to improper fractions. Whether you're studying for a test or just want to sharpen your math skill, this video has got you covered. Let's dive in. Let's start with improper fraction. An improper fraction is when the numerator, that is the top number, is larger than the denominator, that is the bottom number. For example, 11 over 4, 27 over 2, and so on are examples of improper fraction. Now, how do we convert improper fraction into mixed number? Let's take an example. Change 11 over 4 to a mixed number. Firstly, I'll draw my division sign, then 11 will be inside the division sign, 4 will be outside. 11 divided by 4 means how many 4 am I going to get inside of 11? It's simply 2. Why? Because 2 times 4 is 8. Now, if I subtract, I'll get 3. Now, the number at the top, which can also be called the quotient, while the one at the bottom can be called the remainder. So the next step is to make our quotient, which is the number at the top, become our new whole number, while our remainder becomes the new numerator and our denominator remains the same. So I have just simply converted 11 over 4 into two whole number, 3 over 4. Let's take another example. So I have 27 over 2. I will draw my division sign. 27 goes inside and 2 outside. 2 divided by 2 is just 1 because there is only 1 2 inside of 2. 1 times 2 is 2. If I subtract, I have a 0. I'll bring down my 7. 7 divided by 2, that's 3 because 3 times 2 is 6. If I subtract, I'll have 1. So my quotient is 13 and my remainder is 1. Don't forget, my quotient becomes my new whole number. So my whole number is 13. My remainder, which is 1, becomes the new numerator and my denominator remains the same, 2. So it means that 27 over 2 is equal to 13 whole number, 1 over 2. Now let's flip things around and convert mixed numbers to improper fraction. Example 1. Change two whole number, 3 over 4, to an improper fraction. Firstly, I'll multiply the whole number, which is 2, by the denominator. So 2 times 4 gives us 8. Then I'll add up my numerator. 8 plus 3, that gives us 11. Put an over sign, your denominator remains the same, which is 4. And that's just how to change mixed numbers back to improper fractions. Let's take another example. We have 13 whole number, 1 over 2. We want to change this to an improper fraction. So I'll multiply 13 by 2, and that gives me 26. I'll add up my numerator, which is 1, and that gives me 27. Put an over sign, your denominator remains the same. So 13 whole number, 1 over 2, just simply gives us 27 over 2. And that's it. You are now a pro at converting improper fractions to mixed numbers and vice versa. Here are some practice questions for you to try. Grab a piece of paper and pen, pause the video, and let's have a go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more math tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.